call me in when they can't find something.
Hey!
There you go.
All right, this is the free game.
All right.
I think Streets Down Wild's more often, or
Yeah.
there's more in the reels. Oh,
You
there's
got a bonus here? Oh, that's good.
Money?
That's good.
14,
Yeah,
15 bucks.
twice, I think, right?
Yeah, we got some 10s too. Oh, $18. All
Take
right.
that for a first spin here. That's a good setup, too. Same thing. Queen.
Queens.
I think that goes through. That's not bad either.
Carriages? Oh.
And we got them through here, too, though, so that's not bad. All right. Oh, one more. Oh! That would have been sweet.
Oh, that's a good
Oh, that's
setup.
going to be good. Hey, money. I think we got kind of on the money bag.
Shaping up to be a pretty good bonus.
Fantastic. Can't complain at all. $50 already. This last spin, we got one more after this.
Oh, we got two more. Carriages?
I don't know if that went through or not, though.
All right.
Oh, be a money bag. All right, watch that, bad.
Queens got there too?
Yeah. Oh, that's shook.
Oh, did we get the bonus?
What is it?
Oh, we sure did.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bono.
Hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
On the last spin of the free games.
This is gonna be sweet.
All right, this is a pretty fun bonus dynamic. I like it.
Yeah. I think we're gonna stick around and play another couple spins here. Look.
Yeah. I mean, we're back to profit here.
Maybe we'll go to the $5. 5 cents.
So the way that this bonus works is it's a traditional holding spin, but we need some red things to open up the real estate. And the golden trains can add values, throw values down. Need something.
What do you get boost to, or is that the all aboard?
I think you can get boost. Oh, see, so we
We
got
got
a
a
train.
train. Which one is it? Purple. It's the better than green, right?
Yeah, so
Oh, it just adds.
it adds, but it stays and adds every spin.
Every spin it does.
Or
no, we got. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay. Take it. We definitely need some real estate here.
yeah, we need some
Right,
red
yeah.
caution signs to move up. Or train,
Or
or
gold train.
All right, I think green is the green is the minor train.
Oh, the green's better than purple. Well, I don't know, probably the same.
All right, we need some big values. That's not bad.
Take that. And
We need the longest train ever here.
we
that was it.
got 13 bucks, 13.20 on that ball. Or coin, whatever that is.
Let's get a red thing here. All right, not complaining.
And this length of this bonus is incredible. I love
Yeah. Oh yeah, keep going. There we go.
it. Wow. Definitely over 100 bucks.
All right, staying
All
alive.
right, guys, we definitely need to open some real estate here, though.
Yeah, we need a red thing. Ah, flashed it at us. I mean, we can just keep letting the purple train do its thing.
Right.
All right, we need something here.
You gonna say today? All right, hey, I'm not complaining at all. It's a great bonus.
Great bonus.
It's well over $100 bonus. I mean, not this portion of it, but altogether it's certainly over 100. 70 bucks right there, plus 64 down there, and that's $130 bonus.
Yeah. I think we're at the high water mark.
I would imagine so. Well, we were close to this.
I think we were around 260 was
Yeah.
counting up here.
$132, $133. $133.90.
Nice bonus.
Right. All right.